right here, ladies and gentlemen, we have some callaloo that we actually set, and we're trying to catch the breed. These are some red callaloo, and we're trying to get the breed. So if you want seeds, we have seeds. You could give me a contact, okay? This is a Crocus Bag Farmer. We have a special red breed of callaloo. This is the wild callaloo, the native callaloo, the hardcore callaloo. Callaloo will have high iron, high vitamins. This is it, the red callaloo. So see, we are breeding up the seeds because I had a lot of people asking me about the callaloo seeds. So if you want callaloo seed, contact the Crocus Bag Farmer and we'll get you some callaloo seeds so you can farm up the thing. Because if you love the farming from morning till the evening, like I and I, go ahead and subscribe to the Crocus Bag Farmer and stay tuned. You're going to get more information on natural fruits, herbs, vegetables, spices, and righteous vibes. More life, more joy. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yeah, bless. Breed where I breed up the callaloo seeds. Breed where I breed up the callaloo seed. Breed where I breed up the callaloo seed. Yeah, breed where I breed up the callaloo seed. Breed where I breed up the callaloo seed. So just give me a contact to get your callaloo seeds in. So them callaloo seeds are big.